moving on further into B4, you got Stan Whitney working the left side in the Cayman. One cone so far for him. Jackson McLeod coming through the lights in that F-125. Through with a 40.055, but no help for him. As well, so that goes out the window. All right, Wally Barine working his CSP Miata in B4, bump 4 with a 614 hole shot, matched up against Scott Boito in that F-150.